He ukai na guku no tina guku ndi thutha wa muini wigatwo Samuel Ndirango Muchoki uria oikaine ta Samidoh riu arorete kunyitwo ni undu wa kurira utungata wake ruhonge-ini rwa borithi maya makihanika ciumia igiri kuma Samidoh ahurwo transfer gikoragwo na uici wa mahiu. Samidoh agitumwo kuo niguo angethanire na itoi cia mahiu. Marua ma komanda wa ruhonge rwa borithi rwa anti stock theft maramarutitwo mweri kenda mweri uyu wa gatandatu rauga ati Muchoki ndathiete wira makiria ma thiku 10 kuria ahetwo rutha wira-ini nigetha athie Baringo mweri 27 mweri-ini wa gatano no gugicoka gukionekana ndari acoka. Borithi marauga ati ona riu matiui kuria Samidoh angikorwo ari na mucara wake wa uborithi ni ukoretwo urugamitio kwa ihinda riri. Oho marua macio ni marauga ati supervisor wake ni abatie gukorwo akioya maguru athie nginya Nyandarua arore kana nikuo Samidoh angikorwo ehithite. No kurekwirwo ati ndeto ici ciothe ni cia muhuhu tondu kwina marua mangi maria marauga ati Samidoh ni ahetwo rutha rwa guthie America kuria akoretwo na ikeno cia ndaci na ati marua maya ahetwo kuri mweri 20 mweri-ini uyu wa gatano. No riu marua maya ni maronania ati eritwo acoke wira Juni 9 no riu turaria ari Juni 11 Samidoh ndari acoka wira ukionania ati ena thiku ahitukitie karundo no ndari amenyeka kuria ari. Ona kuri uguo maya mothe maronekana mahana tari mutugo tondu ni maundu manjiririe kuoneka kuma riria Samidoh onekanire akina rwimbo rwa mugithi na hau akionekana tarahura mbaru rwimbo rwa rukoretwo na ngumo nene rwa one time. Nyitania nani gicunjĩ-inĩ gĩa kerĩ gĩkũmenyithia ũrĩa Samidoh akoretwo akiuga arĩ njĩra yake ya gwĩtetera. No mbere ya ngwĩre ũguo thiĩ hau hihinya hau subscribe button nigetha ngĩruta video ĩngĩ tugakorwo nawe. While police transfers are routine, mine was political and calculated. I knew the plan. Send him to anti-stock theft unit, and a few days later, the headline would read, ASTU police officers killed by bandits in Baragoi or Suguta, among them, the renowned Mugithi musician Samidoh. I'll be buried and forgotten. I may have made mistakes, but they shouldn't cost me my life or justify threats against me. I don't want to die and leave my children fatherless. I've lived in fear in my own country. I have been threatened. My weapon isn't a gun, it's a guitar. Pray for me, that God may grant me more days to sing and bring joy. That is my purpose on earth. I love my life too much to let anyone take it away from me. I have dreams, let me live. I'll return any KPS property I have via FedEx, but I'll not be coming back until my safety is guaranteed. If a young man can be arrested and killed in a police cell, how can I feel safe after your threats to arrest me on baseless claims of deserting duty? If I am killed, let it be known. I spoke. Ririkana mwiroreri na muthikiriria wakwa kuhinya subscribe button getha video ingi kiuma ugakorwo wa mbere kumenyithio. Hamaritwa njitikaga Nyaguthie.